Hello everyone, my name is Rebecca and I just wanted to come reintroduce myself. I am the founder and chief engineer of Engineer Analysis. Our focus is on maintenance strategy, reliability engineering. We specialize in manufacturing environments. However, we do go beyond that to commercial environments, other institutions, schools, facilities, building systems, HVAC and plumbing and all that. But my heart is with maintenance, my heart is with manufacturing, and that is what gets me all fired up. I love to solve a good problem. So if you have a root cause failure analysis that you're stuck on, if you have vibration analysis that you're stuck on, I am the person for you. I will not let it go until I figure out what is happening. Part of that is due to my neurodivergent brain. I do have ADHD, but I figured out how to utilize it. I figured out how to take that hyper focus and turn it into a problem solving technique strategy. I also work my first job ever. So I like to say that my education is mechanical engineering, my trade is industrial engineering, and my heart is teaching. Teaching was my first job, and I found my way back to it. So my first job was teaching martial arts. I was a martial arts instructor for a few years. I do have a black belt, so don't mess with me. But I found my way back to teaching on the engineering sphere. So teaching undergraduate engineers, teaching new engineers, and teaching maintenance and reliability professionals how to strategize, how to optimize. And my focus there is to reduce stress. And it's not only for, yes, it's great for you, but you're gonna work better with less stress. When we are in a constant fight or flight, we're not gonna be producing our best results. So let's find a way to find a maintenance strategy that doesn't make you panic, that you can keep up with, that's not an overload of data, and that's what I'm here for. So let me know if there's any way I can help you. Please introduce yourselves in the comments below, or feel free to reach out to me to introduce yourself, especially if there's anything that you need help with. All right, thank you all so much, and I will talk to you soon.